You again?
Hey guys, I was just done eating. It's because
You want
I
some
couldn't
ano pa?
edit it. Oh yeah, I'm eating this.
Thank you, mommy!
Yeah, thank you. Tita. I gotta eat one piece of this. It's yummy. Yummy. Very, very yummy. Very, very, very yummy. I mean, it's yummy.
I'm holding the side. She's holding the bottle too.
So yeah, I'm gonna eat this.
She's also vlogging. Go.
So yeah, she's also vlogging too. Hello,
But I'm also doing a time-lapse video.
So stay tuned for her because she is Juliana.
Yeah. This is my fourth chicken.
She can't. These have 5 pieces of chicken is not enough. I'm gonna finish this again then. See you later. So free giveaway wrapper.
What the heck?
So yeah guys, we're still gonna pause this video. So another free wrapper. Ah! Thank you guys for watching this eating video. It's eating because I already ate this and that. So thank you guys. And see you guys on my part 2 of the random video thing. So bye. Peace.